Welcome to Recipes Old and New. Today we are making a seasonal Bengali dish called Sheem Bhapa. Sheem Bhapa is a preparation of flat beans steamed in a thick mustard gravy. So I have taken 250 grams of flat beans and have cut them each into two pieces. We will also need 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 2 teaspoons of coconut milk powder. If you want, you can add 2 tablespoons of grated coconut instead of coconut milk powder. And we'll also add a couple of chilies to just add some flavor. In a mixer grinder, I will add the poppy seeds and the mustard seeds, a little bit of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric, and then coarsely grind them. Now I will add the coconut milk powder, the green chilies and a half cup of water and grind them one more time to turn it into a thick fine paste. Now for the main preparation, I will take the flat beans in a steel tiffin box and add the paste to it. I will also add half cup of water, half teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. I will mix them thoroughly. And add the 2 green chilies. Here I will close the lid and go for steaming. For steaming, I have taken 3 cups of water in a karai. And I am placing the tiffin box into the water like this. Next, you can cover the karai with a lid and let the water to boil on high flame for a minute. Once the water starts boiling, you can simmer the flame to a low. Here you will wait for 30 minutes. Now 30 minutes have passed. And our Sheem Bhapa is ready to serve. It is best enjoyed with a hot steamed rice in winter afternoons. So try it with your family and let us know how did you find this traditional Bengali recipe. If you like these videos, do share it with your friends and families. Until next time, this was the Recipes Old and New. Namaskar.